Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new and would like to see more Mia makeup tutorials, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to know how I got to this makeup look, stay tuned. So for today's look, I'm asking Google what to do. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going into Google, typing in the first letter of your name and the first letter of your surname. So for me it will be M L look, and then you search and then images, and the first image that is going to pop up is what you have to do. So I'm inspired by this very colorful look, like what I think it's something with the eyes, contact lens drops, I'm not sure, but it is definitely something with eyes. Yay! And it's colorful, so I'm excited, and let's get this look started. So for this amazingly colorful look, I'm going to use my NYX Off Tropic palette, which is my ultimate favorite. So now I'm excited, and thank you Google for my colorful look. So the first color that I'll be using is yellow. There is yellow in the picture, so I'm allowed to use yellow. I think I'm going to apply my yellow in the inner corners of my eyes. So I already have foundation on, and then I'm just going to play with it, whatever pops in my mind, because I actually have no idea what to do, but it's something with color and something with eyes. So there's yellow, and then there is bright orange. So next color will be bright orange. Ooh, this is amazing. I love this color. My word. So I'm blending this one nicely with the yellow. So the main thing about this challenge is that you need to use all the colors on the picture, or you need to be inspired by the colors. And I'm actually very lucky to be inspired by a lot of amazing colors. So I'm happy with what Google chose for me. My next color will be blue. Blue is also very strong on the picture, or it's a strong color that's coming out, and I'll be using my blue in the outer corners of my eyes. So while I was doing my other eye, this lady came to say hi. Say hello, Bella. Do you also want some makeup? She's actually Afrikaans, so I don't think she's understanding me right now, hey? Bella! She's not in the mood for this colorful look. Nope. So, what do you think we should use next? Maybe you can choose a color. pick a color, Bella. Which one? No, we can't use purple. We can't use purple, that is not on the picture. Choose another one. Another one. No. She chose purple, but unfortunately we can't use purple. So I have to choose my own color. Thank you for saying hi. Say bye. So Bella chose purple, but purple is not allowed. So unfortunately I'll have to go with green. But before I go to green, I'm just going to draw my clear lines that can be filled in, and then we can go further. Maybe I should rather draw some flowers. These teardrops ain't working. So I'm gonna draw some flowers and then I'll be back. Okay, so I know that this bottle is something to do with eyes, and but I thought flowers would be better because the tears is way too sad and it doesn't look good at all. So now I have to color in my flowers with all the colors that is bursting out on the bottle. So I still am allowed to use green, pink, white, and then again blue. It's a plummish color though. Well, some plummish color. Okay, so I'm going to color in my flowers next. So flowers is done, and now it's time to add some green to this eye. So I'm just going to add the green underneath the eye so that it connects with the blue. Then for my lips, I'm going to use pink lip gloss from Bonjour. You get it at the skin. So my lips is ready, my flowers is almost ready, and then I still need to blend out all these lovely colors together, and I'm just going in with my green on this side as well, connecting with the green flower. Woo! I am so colorful right now. So what does it look without contouring? Next I'll be doing some contouring, and also I'll be using my NYX contour palette for this. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Cryolan shimmer powder, shimmer eyeshadow, and it is white. I am allowed to use white. I'm very curious about what Google will choose for you. Like, what do you guys get when you type in your first letter of your name and your first letter of your surname and then look? So, if you would be so kind to show me what yours look like, direct message me on Instagram. The link is down in my bio so that I can see what you guys got from Google. Okay, so back to my look. It is almost done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the outlines of the flowers a bit with Dala face painting, and then I'm going to add some lashes, and I think that is about it because the colors are already crazy, so I don't want to go too crazy. But I'll be back and then I can show you my completely Google inspired makeup look. Ta-da! My Google inspired makeup look. So remember, if you want to show me what your Google inspired makeup look like, direct message me on Instagram. And stay tuned every Monday for a new Mia makeup tutorial. Bye!